Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebere Johnson. I've come your way again. Today I'll be introducing to you graphic design using the smartphone device. Before now, I'm used to doing graphic design using the computer laptop. Okay, you can watch my videos on my YouTube channel. They are all from my system, but then my followers request that I teach them this graphic design using the smartphone device because they can't afford the laptop, and I deem it fit to start this class with them. I want you to join because you won't regret joining. Apart from the graphic design, we'll be doing a whole lot. You'll be learning so many applications. You can see here we have so many applications here. Apart from graphic design, there are other applications in this smartphone that you actually learn apart from graphic design. Just do well to join my YouTube channel, share my links to your friends and family members, and you won't regret joining me. And again, this my YouTube channel is not just all about graphic design. Anything that has to impact life positively is what I'll be doing here. And as time goes on, I'll be posting videos. I'll be doing videos and posting for us to learn. Do well to share my links to your friends and family members, and you can join. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell to get updated in all my videos I'll be posting as time goes on. Why not grab this opportunity to learn this graphic design using your smartphone device? Just imagine yourself creating logo for yourself, doing commentary cards, flyers, banners, and as a social media person, you can even do a thumbnail for yourself without stress. Imagine you learning how to do video editing using your smartphone. Of course, we'll be doing all of this, okay? Using CapCut and so many other applications I'll be introducing to us here. Imagine yourself working on documents like Microsoft Word documents, working on Excel, doing calculation using Excel. All these are what you'll be learning from this, my video. Share my links to your friends and family members, and you won't regret joining. See you there.